We're in Ayutthaya. We're stopping here for lunch. I'm here with X.
Hello.
He's been our driver and food connoisseur extraordinaire. He's been taking us all over the place. And right now we're at this restaurant. What's the name of the restaurant?
Chok Umnuay Restaurant.
Chok Umnuay Restaurant. And we just ordered several kilograms of live shrimp from outside. And then we watched them grill it. And this is what it looks like. Check that out. Live shrimp that have been grilled over a barbecue. And these are awesome. They still even have the claws attached to them. Take off the head, like this. And we dip it in this sauce. What's in the sauce?
Seafood sauce.
Seafood sauce. And there's garlic and there's like lime and
Yes, lamb,
chilies
chili,
and
garlic.
garlic, yeah. And then you dip the head in there and we take a bite. Oh, that is so juicy, so delicious. I can't stop eating this. I want to eat more. Let me just take another bite. It's dripping off my face. It's so good. I love it. All right, if you're ever in this area, you gotta come to this place and try this. It's awesome.